Hey guys, so in today's video I'm quickly going to show you how to contact support for Amazon Associates. So let's get started. Log into Amazon Associates and then you'll be here at home and go here, help. Now what you need to do is contact us, press that, wait for it, and now, well, you just fill everything here up, do this CAPTCHA and send the email. It's pretty much that simple. Comments, it's pretty much what you need, like what's your question, and that's pretty much it. Make sure that everything here is filled out. Anyhow guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below, and if you want more tutorials just like this, subscribe. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.